At Health Check, there's a new postgraduate program offered in Rhode Island for the emerging health professions.
Johnson & Wales University is now the first in the state to offer a physician assistant program, and classes began this week. Health Check 10 reporter Barbara Moore-Silva has the details.
Just south of the main campus in downtown Providence in the former Jewelry District is the new Johnson & Wales University Center for Physician Assistant Studies. It was a long time coming.
As a native Rhode Islander and someone who had to go out of state to get training, I thought it would be great to have a program in Rhode Island.
Especially when you consider physician assistants are becoming more and more in demand.
The Bureau of Labor Statistics has us growing in the next several years at about a 30% growth rate.
And these 24 inaugural students at this new Center for PA Studies should be ready to enter that field in 24 months.
They get breaks here and there to come up for air, but they are a hard-working, dedicated, passionate group of students.
This new facility features a lecture hall equipped with global teleconferencing capabilities, a clinical skills lab complete with exam room beds, and this, the gross anatomy lab with movable computers and e-study guides at each station. And each of the students has a special reason for being in this program. Riley Loomis graduated from URI.
I studied exercise science, and I began shadowing PAs in a hospital I was volunteering in and fell in love with the profession.
Then there's Alyssa Curtis, here from Utah.
When I was in high school, I tore my ACL and had a really extensive experience with, an orthopedic surgeon and his PA, and the PA was phenomenal, and so it was kind of that experience that made me want to go into this field.
This school is especially attractive to applicants because of what it has to offer.
I felt it was an opportunity, especially with this first class, to have a very personal learning environment with only 24 students, but also have the resources of larger institutions like Brown nearby.
Here, collaborations are an integral part of learning.
Food is medicine, and we're going to be collaborating with our culinary partners in the culinary school to incorporate that into the PA program as well.
And there will be collaborations with the Rhode Island medical community.
Lifespan, Care New England, South County Hospital, Blackstone Valley Community Health Center, Anchor Medical.
The hope?
If we can train them in Rhode Island, we think they'll stay in Rhode Island to practice.
Physician assistants work under the supervision of a doctor, but have the same scope of practice. They can write prescriptions, perform physicals, diagnose, and develop treatment plans. Bryant University is now in the process of starting a physician assistant program. For more on Johnson & Wales PA Center, you can log on to turn10.com and click on Health. And that's Health Check. Barbara Moore-Silva, NBC 10 News.